how to change Remitly delivery speed. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you will learn how you can change Remitly delivery speed. So the first step is to log in into your Remitly account, just like I have done here, and then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page you can see some tabs at the top part of the screen, which includes send money, transfer history, reference. So just go ahead and click on transfer history because we are working with transfers this time around. So after clicking on transfer history, you'll be brought to the transfer histories page. On this page, you can see all of the transfers that you've made thus far. Then you can see the ones in progress as well as the one that has been delivered. So the next is to do is to click on the transfer in progress. Okay, and then find the specific transfer that you want to modify. After you found the specific transfer, click on transfer to view its details. Then on the details page, you then go ahead to look for an option that is related to delivery speed. Okay, look for an option related to delivery speed. Select the desired speed, such as express, economy, etc. After selecting it, you'll be asked to review the updated transfer details, confirm the changes, and then just like that, your delivery speed would be changed immediately. Now, if you have made a transfer already, just follow the processes that I've said in this video and you'll be directed on what to do. Just select the transfer, click on the transfer to view its details, look for an option related to delivery speed, select the desired speed, review the updated transfer details, confirm changes, and you are good to go. Thank you.